Good afternoon, this is Andy from Vehicle Fit. This is a Ford Transit custom Nugget camper van that we have put a front and rear Thinkware F200 dashcam on. So the dashcam is currently in parking mode. It's just mounted up here. We have to put it quite far across, otherwise it picks up a bit of this binnacle. It's got GPS on it, so the Nugget is a difficult van to do simply because of the cable run. So I'm getting quite a few inquiries for these because obviously I do a couple of videos on YouTube and people tend to see, I think people are not a fan of doing them. So this is the rear camera. We run it into this little grommet here and then down to the near side. So it's all run internally and then it's all run. We have to drop this down, drop these clips out. It is tight, to be fair. I have to take these curtains off and run it down behind that C-pillar trim. Again, it's just fiddly. You have to take your time. It's not a quick job. So yeah, that's run along here, just tucked up inside there. No cables showing, no damage to the trims, and then run it to this F200 here. So we've got GPS on here, power DC in. That's event recording, so if you just see an impact whilst the vehicle's parked up, it'll save a file. Well, it's already saving the file. Saves the file for about 30 seconds and then puts it into a special folder called events. So if you come back to the vehicle, when you turn the ignition on, it will tell you that an event occurred whilst in parking mode. So yeah, that's the F200 Pro front and rear dash cam, supplied and fitted by Vehicle Fit in the West Midlands. These cameras are quite reasonably priced. They're a couple of £100 to buy in, and then labour's the same, a couple of hundred labour to get it fitted front and rear properly, especially on a custom Nugget. Like I say, difficult van to do, but yeah, I'll put some screenshots of the view that we get on the video in a minute. So thanks for watching. 07900 605040. Cheers.